I am Dr. Parag Sahasrabudhe. I am a plastic surgeon practicing in Pune city for last 21 years. There is an initiative started by Pune Municipal Corporation and Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangha (RSS), wherein screening of the general population in the red zone areas of Pune city has started. The idea behind it is to screen the general population to see for patients who are showing some symptoms which are suggestive of COVID infection, so that these patients can be identified earlier, their test can be done earlier, and if they found to be positive, then they can be quarantined, and that is how spread of the disease within that particular area can be restricted well in advance. So I participated as a volunteer in this initiative of PMC and RSS. Yesterday we went in the afternoon to 1 Tadiwala Road, Vasat, where we scanned about 250 to 300 people staying in that Vasat, and out of which we have identified about 17 patients whom tests have been ordered, and if they come positive, necessary treatment and care will be taken for them by Pune Municipal Corporation. We were presently surprised to see when we went to that Vasahat that people were following social distancing. They were abiding by the rules laid down by the administration, and they were very thankful to us that we came there and we examined them and we prescribed medicines to them. In fact, there were some medicines also available which we distributed along with the face mask, and we explained them that there is nothing to fear about COVID, and whatever care that they should take in these difficult times. I also would like take this opportunity to appeal to all the doctors. They may be from different specialties, they may be physicians, they may be dentists, they may be plastic surgeons or a super specialist, orthopedic surgeon, that they should come forward, participate in such a program that is initiated by the administration, which will help everyone to identify the cases earlier, and that's how we can prevent the spread of the disease in the community. Thank you. So I once again appeal for everyone, including doctors and other people also, to come as volunteers, because we had 3-4 volunteers with us per doctor, so that we were a group of about 10-12 people working there, because only doctors, we require volunteers also. So I appeal to everybody to come forward and participate in this initiative which is started by PMC and Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangha. Thank you.